Cutting on Quick Cutz family. This is your lineman Deere coming to you this bright and early morning. We're about to get started. Today, I want to speak about accountability and partnership and working with someone. You know, it's very important, especially in this business here, because sometimes the work can be grueling, you know, depending on the task. And having someone right there with you in the mix and thick of things is important. Some people like to work alone, and it's going to be to each his own, and everybody should, you know, be able to know their own personality. Today I partner up with Moses here, and Moses is a great worker, and he comes with a burst of energy, and I feed off of his energy when we work together. In the time that I can take to do myself something, with Moses, we almost like cut that time to a quarter or at the, you know, or a half. Cut it in half. And definitely if you have a long day ahead of you. Today's a pretty quick day, and working with Moses is gonna make it even quicker. Cut on Quick Cutz family. This is Deere checking in with you with some more information just to keep you informed. You know, to close the day off out of uniform. You know, get ready to go back to civilian life, and just want to make you aware about some things. So if you go into business and you start off with a smaller trailer that you can, you know, hitch up to your truck, you know, make sure, let me repeat, make sure that you find out, that's if you have an HOA, if you can park your trailer in the community. We had to move the trailer to a storage unit. But the great thing about it is, our trailer will not be alone, because we're not leaving her alone here. We have placed her in the same residential storage unit that her big brother is located. This is Deere cutting off. Cut on Quick Cutz family.